Okay, here's example C. Jody brought a circular rug. It's supposed to say bought a circular rug for her living room. If the rug measures 20 feet across its center, how much of the floor will the rug cover? Okay, this is very similar to what you would see on a real test or assignment. Okay, it doesn't have any of the words that you would like for it to say. It doesn't say area or circumference or diameter or radius. You have to figure those out on your own. You have to figure out what it is they're asking you and what information they gave you. Okay, so first, let's see. The question says, how much of the floor will the rug cover? Remember, cover is a keyword for area. So, they are asking you to find the area. And that makes sense with this assignment because this whole assignment is about area. Okay, but what information did they give you? Okay, it says that it measures 20 feet across its center. Okay, so which one goes all the way across its center? All the way across, that is diameter. So they gave us the diameter is 20, and we're trying to find the area. So area equals pi r squared. That's the only formula that there is for area. Well, the information that they gave us doesn't go in the formula. 20, or d, diameter, isn't in there. We need the radius. So remember, step 1 on example A and B was to find the diameter and the radius. So we found the diameter, we can find the radius. The radius is always exactly half of the diameter. So if the diameter is 20, that means that the radius is 10. Okay, pretty easy. So now let's come over here and let's put numbers in here. This is the same thing as pi times radius times radius. So before I put 3.14 in there, I want you to notice this is multiple choice. And I've always said, if it's multiple choice, you can use 3 and you'll get close enough to the right answer to where you'll be able to pick the right one. So for this one, I'm going to use 3 for pi. Okay, the radius is 10, and the radius again is 10. So now I just need to multiply. Let's just do it in order from left to right. Okay, 3 times 10, that is 30. And then I bring down this 10. And then 30 times 10 is 300. So my area is 300 feet squared. Is that answer over there? No, of course not, because we rounded. But they did too. So let's see which one is the closest to our answer. We have 314. That's super close. It's only 14 away. 62.8, that's 63 if you round that. No, that's very far away. 1,256, nope. 125.6, we're at 300, so no. The only one that is close is this guy right here. Okay, so that is our answer. But for those of you that are worried, let's go ahead and try it with 3.14. I just got to make some room here. So area equals pi r squared, which is pi times radius times radius. So I'm going to use 3.14 this time. My radius is still 10 times 10. Okay, well, the first thing I'm going to multiply this time is these whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers are easier. 10 times 10 is 100. Then I have 3.14. Okay, well, 3.14 times 100. I could go off to the side and do that multiplication, but that's 3-digit by 3-digit. That's not very fun or easy to do. And there's a trick with 100. if you're multiplying by 100, all you do is move the decimal 2 times, 1 time for each 0, to the right. So that is going to come out to 314. Okay, so that is the exact answer that they got. Okay, but was it really worth it? This one was much easier to do, and we got close enough. If I had actually done this multiplication, a 3-digit by a 3-digit, that would be very annoying. And you have a lot more places where you could make a mistake. So I definitely don't recommend that. Your answer is 314, which is A. Okay, go ahead and do your turn on your own.